In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change input language in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to type in a different language while working in DaVinci Resolve, this setting is quick to update once you know where to find it. One important thing to keep in mind before we begin is that the input language setting is different from the main language of the app interface. So if you are trying to change the language you use for typing and not the language of the menus and buttons, this is the correct setting to use. To get started, go to the top left corner of DaVinci Resolve and click on DaVinci Resolve. This will open the application menu. From there, click on Preferences. This is where DaVinci Resolve keeps many of its general settings, including language-related options. Once the Preferences window opens, go to the User tab. This is important because the setting we need is not under the System section. After you are in the User tab, click on Language and Spelling. This section includes the options related to how text input behaves inside the software. Now, when you get into Language and Spelling, look for Input Language. Make sure you are selecting Input Language specifically, because language and input language are not the same thing. The regular language setting controls the app language and is located elsewhere under UI settings. But for this tutorial, we are only focusing on input language, which affects the language used when entering text. Next, click the drop-down menu next to Input Language. You should see a list of available languages. Simply choose the language you want to use. Take a moment here to select the correct option, especially if you work in multiple languages or use specific character sets. After selecting your preferred language, click Save to apply the change. That's it. Your input language has now been updated. If the change does not seem to apply immediately, it can help to close and reopen the relevant text field, or in some cases restart DaVinci Resolve so the setting refreshes properly. Also, remember that changing the input language here affects text entry, not the full interface language of the program, and that's all you need to do to change the input language in DaVinci Resolve. Once you know the difference between the interface language and input language, the process becomes very simple and easy to manage while editing.